Coral bleaching and climate change. Climate change. Climate change has been exponentially increasing over the past few decades, as you can see in the graph. This has been causing a rise in temperatures, and seasons are not as prominent as they used to be. For example, this past winter in Wisconsin was very warm, way warmer than normal. Lake Mendota in Madison, Wisconsin didn't even freeze over. Climate change derives from greenhouse gases being present in the atmosphere. This comes from the release of fossil fuels like coal, natural gas, and oil, along with other greenhouse gases. Some of the causers are the use of electricity and transportation. Greenhouse gases heat up our Earth because they absorb infrared radiation from the sun in the form of heat. Impacts on the ocean. The increase in heat has a tremendous effect on the oceans of our Earth. Ocean temperatures have been increasing along with the temperatures of our atmosphere. Because of this, glaciers and icebergs are starting to melt away. Coral reefs are struggling to survive. Wildlife is struggling to adapt and live in a warmer and changing ocean environment. Sea levels are rising. Ocean currents are changing. The ocean is becoming more acidic, and extreme weather events are occurring more frequently. These are just some of the impacts. Coral bleaching. One of the more significant effects is ocean acidification and coral bleaching. This is happening because ocean temperatures are rising. The coral are stressed out about the climate change and the change in temperature in the ocean. Because of this, they expel the symbiotic algae living in their tissues, which makes them extremely vulnerable and also gives them a white color. Once coral die, they do not grow back, so they are permanently gone. Coral doesn't just grow randomly either. A lot of ocean life depends on thriving coral reefs, and as the reef dies, the animals tend to die along with the reef because the food chain gets altered. So, the long-term impacts. Because of climate change, temperatures will continue to rise. Storms and severe weather will get worse and become more frequent. The ocean will continue to get warmer and rise, which could cause flooding. There also will be a loss of certain species. Severe weather will become more frequent and worse because of the drastic change in climate along with the change of the air in the atmosphere. Species will die along with their environments as the food chain and the habitat they reside in will die off. These could all lead to the lack of food, more health risks, and more poverty and displacement for us human beings. So this isn't just about coral, but also about how we treat our planet. Here are my references.